With my glasses on my nose like this, I kind of feel like an old-time innkeeper or something, just like an old lady, like, ye old spinach dip. Hi, I'm Wendy, and this is My Kitchen Sink. Today I'm making my favorite dip recipes. I'll be making a spinach dip, an artichoke dip, and a 7-layer dip. If this is your first time here, subscribe below. I got most of my ingredients from Target, and I spent a little under $50. Cooking time! The spinach dip is 100% my favorite. It won me an award one time. It's literally the printed recipe on the back of the dried soup. I got all 3 of these recipes from my mom, Wendy Steiner. I feel like my mom is super natural cooking icon lady. My mom was like one of those ladies who would put a chopstick in her bun, just like get her hands dirty in the kitchen and be like, whatever happens, like it's gonna be a beautiful gift from like the bounty of earth kind of mentality. My kitchen has a lot of duplicate things, like we have 2 can openers. We had 2 Instant Pots for a little while because I live with 2 other dudes. My favorite part of my kitchen right now is my dishwasher. I think I love it just because I know so many people in New York don't have one, so I'm like grateful for it every time I use it. My dream kitchen would have Chris Pratt in it. No, I think it would have like one of those sexy islands with like the marble top and be very clean and minimalist, not like my current kitchen. I feel like my lack of chef technique is gonna show the most with cutting the water chestnuts. Does anybody know how you're supposed to cut water chestnuts like the most efficiently? I'm gonna do like a loose squish of this. That cannot be the culinary term, but to kind of get all the ice water out. So you kind of end up with like a spinach meatball. I'm gonna cover this and let it chill in the fridge. Okay, so I'm gonna make the Red Bull now, which is honestly my favorite part. Now I'm gonna make hot artichoke dip. This one also has a lot of mayo, but I don't actually remember exactly how much. I was really sure there was mayo in this recipe and there's not, so I have to put this away in shame and bring out sour cream now. Ooh, baby. I've made this one with like company over and they're sort of looking at me like, that's not gonna taste good. And I'm like, you know what, get out of my house. Now I'm gonna start making the 7-layer dip. So I'm gonna spatula in some beans. You kind of want your sides to be pretty. So the less mixing you have happen, the better. I think the best response I've had to this dip is just people making it for their own, like friends and fam. I'm gonna check this because it's like really hot behind me. Did I really delete mayo? I just like something about it doesn't look right. It does have mayo in it. Should I leave and just like interrupt myself? This dip is ready. I personally feel like gambling and adding the mayo in now and then putting it back in like a Frankenstein dip. Oh dear. If you think about it, in the oven, they were all just gonna get mixed together anyway. It is already bubbling hot, so I might only do this for like 5 minutes and pretend like that never happened. Let's go on to the dip that I have not messed up yet. The corn is not in the OG recipe. I think you can add corn to almost anything and it's still delicious. I wanted a full rainbow in the stripes. I'm looking at my handiwork and I don't hate it, right? That looks pretty good. I'm gonna add the last 2 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait! We are making 8-layer dip. Who's to say what's a layer really, you know? So I'm gonna add the jalapenos. I think they look cuter on top. So help me God, this dip is done. Should peek first. I'm gonna let it chill in there and I can clean up and then we can do the finishing touches and reveal all the dips. The dip that you're all waiting to see, the hot artichoke dip. Look at all my dips! I'm proud of my cheese babies. They're all gonna be tasty. Is that as loud as it feels to me? Tastes good though. Yeah. That tastes like childhood, like that's so nostalgic, which is good. In case that wasn't clear, that tastes good. Okay, I am a little nervous to try the artichoke dip, but here we go. I'm just gonna go in. Yeah, this tastes right actually. Okay, this is my new favorite one. I'm reminded that I do like making these dips now that I'm seeing them finished. I think they present so pretty. In the process, I got a little flustered, but actually it proves all the more that like dips will forgive you. If you mess up making any of these, you could just add cheese. That would be like my asterisk on all of the dips. Thank you for watching My Kitchen Sink. To watch more videos, click here. To subscribe, click here. And if you want the full recipe for all these dips, which I recommend following, it's down below.